Supercell is now tornado warned.
And you have, this is like the only maps you have, bro?
Yeah.
Cali, Reno, Ignitis, southeastern Kansas, Chautauqua County. The watch extends in.
We're on Highway 81, almost to the Kansas border.
Dark that is, dude. Watch out for the road. Yeah, just keep watching the road, alright? I don't want it to slide off. Just keep getting this way. Think about stop.
West of Medford.
Dude, it's already past that.
Slowly at 20 miles per hour. So folks in Jefferson and Medford in the path of this severe thunderstorm. Again, with the possibility and history of producing tornadoes. Tornado warning 645 for Central Grant County. We'll keep you updated on the House FM and My Praise FM.